How to draw the Los Angeles Chargers logo. We are going to start by drawing the Chargers logo on top by drawing a sideways V shape that is a little bit curved. Awesome! Then from the top of that we are going to draw a small line going downwards and then a long line going to the left. Great job! Now we are going to draw one more line just like that with a small line going down and a line going to the left, but this line going to the left is going to curve down. Looks awesome! Now from the bottom line of the V that we drew at the beginning, we are going to draw two lines similar to the ones that we drew on the top. Then we are going to draw the last line on the bottom, which will connect to the other one to the left. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we are going to outline that shape that we just drew. This is the main part of the Los Angeles Chargers logo. Then below this we are going to write out Los Angeles Chargers in bubble letters. Looks awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Great job on drawing the top part of our Los Angeles Chargers logo. Now below this, to the left a little bit, we are going to start by drawing an L. Then next to that, we are going to draw an O. This is going to be a little bit boxy instead of being super round. Also, while drawing our letters, we are going to try to keep them the same height. Awesome job! Then next to that, we are going to draw an S. The S is going to be a little bit boxy as well. You might have noticed that the O that we just drew was at a little bit of a slant. We are going to draw all of our letters at a little bit of a slant, but it's only going to be a subtle slant. We don't want to make it too slanted. After the S, we are going to leave a little bit of a space, and then we are going to draw an A for the beginning of Angeles. Nice job! Now we are going to draw an N. And then after that, we are going to draw a G. Make sure to stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Then we are going to draw an E after that. Then we are going to draw a L just like we did at the beginning. After that, we will draw an E just like the one we did before this L. And then the last letter of Angelus is an S, so we will draw that next to the E. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Awesome job so far! Now below that right here, we are going to draw the word chargers. We will start right below the L and draw a C, but the C is going to be bigger than the letters that we drew above. Great job! Now next to that, we are going to draw an H. And then we are going to draw an A. We will start by drawing an A like we did for the beginning of Angelus, but on the bottom left we are going to wait because we will do that at the end of the letter. It's going to look a little bit different. There is going to be a lightning strike shape going down from the bottom. So right here at the bottom of the A, we are going to draw a shape similar to the one that we did for the big logo at the top, but it's going to be smaller and will go straight down. Awesome job! Now we just have to add the triangle in the middle of the A. Awesome job! Now that we're done drawing the hardest letter, we are going to draw an R. Then we are going to draw a G just like the one that we did in Angelus, but it's going to be a little bit bigger. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw an E. Looking great so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We're almost finished. Next, let's draw an R. And lastly, we will draw an S at the end. This is how to draw the Los Angeles Chargers logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, check out our logos playlist for more NFL logos. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.